Hello and welcome. Welcome back sa inyong lahat dito mga collective, mga mahal kong kapatid na star viewers. Welcome back and kamusta kayong lahat dito? So ang reading natin ngayon is, you are meant to marry this person. Okay, so let's get a sign na siya talaga ay para sa inyo. So alamin natin. Welcome back and kung kayo man ay single pa, this is meant to find you. Kung hindi pa or kinasal na kayo, may mga asawa na, maybe this is the sign, no? Para makuha natin na siya talaga ay para sa inyo. Even guys na hindi resonated sa inyo ang reading na ito, meaning hindi ito para sa inyo. Huwag lang po nating lahatin and ito ay katuwaan lamang and this could be a sign, no? Para makuha natin, if ever, no? Hoping na makuha nga naman talaga natin yung senyales na siya talaga ang para sa inyo. Alright, so, kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid? Thank you po sa pagtitiwala nyo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. I'm so grateful for having you here, watching this reading, and putting time, no? Maraming salamat mga kapatid. Alright, Spirit Angels, let's get a sign. Who is this person? Spirit Angels, sign na siya ang meant na mapakasal ng ating collective. Right. Okay. Who is this person? Ang dami natin nakuha, ah. Capricorn, marami silang nanonood dito. Okay. We have here number 1, Virgo, Capricorn, ano pa, 8. Alright. It could be born, yeah, August, Virgo. Okay. It could be September yung iba dito sa inyo. Number 2, ano pa, number 10, yeah, it could be October. Number 4, again, this number could be related sa mga edad nila, ano, pinanganak. It could be the year. Aquarius. Alright. So, it could be, maybe this person is around 24, 28, 41, 21. Something about, it could be sa, yung pinanganak sila. Like again, kunin nyo lang mga kapatid ha, ito yung mga signs na siya, you are meant to marry this person. Capricorn, Virgo, Aquarius. Number 1, 8, 2, 4, and 10. This could be months, age, or the year kung kailan sila pinanganak. Alright? So, alamin pa natin. Alright. Spirit Angels, signs na siya ay meant para or pakasalan ng ating collective. Spirit Angels, sino tong taong ito? Destiny. Yeah, mga baliktad dito. Okay. This is destiny. Destiny mo talaga mga kapatid na makilala itong taong ito. Destiny mo talaga na magpakasal ka sa taong ito or kasal kayo ng taong ito. I'm sorry. Yeah. Meron dito sa'yo magta-travel. This relationship, this meet-up is destiny. Nakalagda talaga sa libro ni universe iyan. Yan. Tingnan nyo, may libro. Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune is about destiny. Yeah. The cycle. The cycle is finally completed and this is the person that you are meant to be. Okay. Yeah. Air sign. I'm also getting like, you might be dealing with the air sign, fire sign, and ano pa. Okay. Malakas dito air sign and fire sign. And earth sign. Yeah. Guys, huwag po tayo malungkot kung naging single parent ka. Meaning, kung ikaw itong single parent na nanonood, you are destined to meet someone new na magtatagal and forever na para sa iyo. Ang taong ito magiging forever mo. No? So, it's okay na single parent ka, meron pang iba dyan. Yan, oh. Nakasulat yan kay universe. Nasa libro yan nakasulat, nakalagda doon kung sino talaga ang para sa iyo na ibibigay ni universe. Ito ay forever mo na. Magtatagal ito sa inyo. This could be about a karmic lesson yung iba. Yeah, you could be dealing with a karmic lesson. Yeah. Kahit sabihin natin na ang partner ko ngayon, may partner po ako, Ma'am Star, kapatid na Star, may partner na po ako. Then, I don't know, something about na it's a soulmate, no? Kahit na may partner ka na pasaway, it's written already na yun talaga, no? Destiny mo talaga na siya maging partner mo, whoever this person is. Yeah, kahit na pasaway man, I'm getting like malakas dito yung karmic. Yeah. Karmic soulmate. Okay. May pasaway, may mga challenges, then you know what? You guys are meant to be together. Yeah, may mga challenges dito. Hindi lahat laging fairy tales, no, sa mga relationship. And yeah, uh, pag ibibigay talaga ng universe sa inyo, ibibigay talaga universe, yun na talaga, siya talaga nakatadhana para sa inyo. So, ano pa? Yeah, destiny, wala tayong magagawa. Like again, guys, walang perpekto sa mundong ito. We have given a chance, no, to correct our mistakes. Again, lalong-lalo na kung may partner na kayo, siya na talaga, wala tayong magagawa. Destiny, yan talagang binibigay ng universe sa inyo. Sa mga single naman dito, huwag tayong mabahala dahil meron talaga para sa inyo. Each of us here we are meant to have a soulmate. Ang taong makakaturo sa atin ng tamang gabay, ang taong tunay na magmamahal sa atin, ang taong makakatulong sa atin in everything. Okay? Of course, cycles. Yeah, something about a cycle sa inyo dito. Yeah, a chances. Siguro bibigyan pa kayo ng universe. Sabihin natin single ka, no? Bibigyan ka talaga ng universe ng chance para to be with this person. Okay? Because you are destined to meet this person. Describe natin kung sino tong taong pakakasalan nyo, no? Your future person. Spirit angels, sino tong soulmate ni collective? Yung future person nila. Papakasalan, kasama, sino ito? Okay, biglaan ito yung iba sa inyo. I-manifest mo lang, yung iba hindi niyo pa nakilala. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo hindi niyo pa nakilala. Darating pa lang itong taong ito. I-manifest mo lang. Ano bang gusto mo? Sino bang gusto mo? Or ano ba yung type mo sa isang tao? Kasi the more na minamanifest mo na, sabihin natin na sana ang magiging mapapangasawa ko in the future ay maganda, gwapo, mabuhok, no? So, I don't know what you guys like, but these are just an example, ano? Or nasa ibang bansa, foreigner, mapera, ano ba? Or younger than me, masayahin, whatever you ask, because you are manifesting it. Minamanifest mo ito, and it's happening. Malakas yung ano ninyo guys, pag nagmamanifest kayo. Yeah, so, nangyayari ito, na ibibigay ito ng universe. Parang, kung ano yung pinipray ninyo na universe, inihiling nyo kay universe, ano? Universe, gusto ko sana magkaroon ako ng afam. Then, as long as mabuti ang yung kalooban, or mabuti itong minamanifest ninyo, para sa inyo talaga ibibigay ng universe ito. Sinusulat yan ng universe kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo. Okay? And siguro it's gonna happen like a surprise. Magugulat ka na lang paggising mo, may nag-message sa inyo paggising mo, pagpunta mo sa trabaho, ano, may bago ka makilala. O siguro sa pagka-travel mo, makilala mo itong taong ito. Or somehow, through social media, again, maraming surprise universe when you meet this person. Meron itong nangyari na, meron naman in the future mangyari ito, yung iba dito. Like again guys, this could be from the past, or this could be future. How you meet this person. Your soulmate. When meet mo siya, in a surprise way, magugulat ka na lang. Yung iba dito, because you manifest this person. Sa mga single parent dyan, or single dyan, keep manifesting, it's happening. This person's coming. You just have to be more patient. Maghintay lang tayo. Huwag tayong magdesisyon ng agad-agad. Baka mapunta tayo sa maling tao. Alright? And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, this could be about a person na married, no? Yeah. Baka ikaw siguro married pa. Yeah. Okay. This is very specific. Yung iba dito, if you are married or separated, maybe you'll be meeting this person from, it could be abroad, or siguro married din siya. Once this person separated from their spouse, partner, tapos kayong dalawa ay pwede, ano, or single parent, there's a chance na, yeah, you will be giving a chance to have a happy family, a happy life. Like again, will fortune is a chance. Chance, destiny, completion. You are destined to have a happy family. You are destined to have a meeting your soulmate. Okay. Mapa-karmic man is part of your destiny. Karmic is like a lot of challenges, ano? Yeah, sa karelasyon mo. It could be, like again, my past, we have here, kasalukuyan nangyari na, and we have future. Okay. Iba naman sa inyo dito, maybe like again, meron siguro itong in and out relationship. Siguro wala tayong magagawa. Pagka destiny mo, babalik at babalik pa rin ang taong ito sa inyo. Meron dito magkakabalikan pa rin. Because you guys are destined. There's a bond. Nakasulat ang pangalan ninyo pareho doon sa book ng ni universe, ano. Nakalista doon. Whatever challenges, iniwan ka man ng taong ito, you still destined to be with this person. Babalik at babalik pa rin ang taong ito. Yung iba naman, from a single, siguro yung iba dito, currently still married, in a relationship, but once this person is, I don't know, baka meron nga ditong third party eh. Baka ang karelasyon ninyo is married sa iba or may karelasyon. You could be the third party. Maybe you are meant, maybe this is destined na makilala mo itong taong ito. Like again, we have here karmic situation, karmic relationship. Mga challenges, may mga bawal, but sabihin natin na hindi mo naman ginusto na maging third party, ano, but siguro hindi mo talaga, something about like there's a bond, a strong bond. Like again, you are destiny, or siguro soulmate, no? Sabihin natin soulmate mo talaga itong taong ito. Kaya lang napunta siya sa iba. Siguro, like again, challenges, ano, maraming pagsubok sa inyo. Third party here. Okay. Pagka destiny talaga, like again guys, we have to make a good actions, a good decision. Surrender mo na lang. Yeah. Let this person to free, no? I-freed mo na lang ang taong ito kung sino ba talagang mahal niya. Sabihin natin ha, kung married siya sa iba, in a relationship na, if I were you, pag kayo talaga, kayo talaga. You don't have to be in the situation, no? To be in the third party. Let go this person. Sabihin natin na mahal ka, ikaw naman talaga mahal, hindi yung spouse niya o partner niya. It doesn't have to be. Kung ikaw itong naging karibal, let your person go. And then the future, let that person find you when everything is okay, into place, in a good place na, no? Hindi na yung magulo. Hindi naman kayo ipagtagpo ng universe na may third party eh. Yung iba talaga nangyari yan, no? Kasi may soulmate eh. Kaya nga sabi ko, huwag tayong atat. Kasi sa pagiging atat ninyo, tuloy na pagkasal kayo sa maling tao. Pagka sabihin natin nakasal ka sa ibang tao, then later on may realization ka na mali itong napangasawa ko pala. Hindi pala siyang soulmate ko. Somehow, nagising ka sa isang araw na in love ka pala sa taong ito. Could be from the past person. Kaya nga kasi meron tayo itong soulmate. Dahil siguro atat na atat ka, nagmamadali ka, or somehow may mga challenges talaga, no? Karmic, mahirap eh. Yeah. Wala namang gustong tao na to be in a relationship na magulo. Gusto talaga, like, it's like a fairy tale love story, ano? Lahat yan. Yan talagang pinapangarap ng lahat ng mga tao. To have a perfect relationship. Kaya lang, pagka soulmate talaga, no matter how hard na na lumalaban tayo, no? Na lumalaban ka para hindi mahalin ng taong ito na bawal or wala kang gusto sa taong ito. Kaya lang pagka soulmate talaga. Yeah. Like again guys, let that person go. Maybe, for sure, there's someone para sa inyo. It might be hard, you just have to manifest it and pray. Let go, let God. Each one of us here, we are destined for a better purpose. Meeting a soulmate, you know, meeting this person. You can be friends. Hindi mo kailangan na ipagsiksikan ng iyong sarili with that third party. let that person go. And then, kung sakaling magbalikan man, make sure, hiwalay na sila ng kanyang partner noon. Okay? Yeah, kasi may mga karma yan eh. Yeah, even na sabihin natin na soulmate kayo, you will be facing karma, the two of you, or in this situation. Okay. So ano pa? Spirit guide angels. Ano naman ang senyales? What does this person look like? Itong soulmate ng ating mga collective, their future spouse. What does this person look like? Okay. Meron ditong may pera, may pagka maladyosa, may pagkahari, may pagkamatigasan ng ulo, cute, malambing, siguro gala, may pagkatamad. Meron naman dito na may pagka-beauty pageant ang taong ito ha. Mahilig sa mga beauty pageant. Siguro ikaw to mahilig sa beauty pageant. And you will be meeting this person. Like again guys, kung minamanifest mo or you want to be with a person na may pagka-beauty pageant kung lalaki ikaw, it doesn't have to be. Sabihin natin na as a masculine, no? Lalaki na nanonood dito. Sabihin natin na, we'll say, single ka, no? Pinapangarap mo na sana makilala ko tong, mapapakasawa ko tong beauty pageant, ganito ganyan. I-manifest mo lang. It's happening. When you meet this person, you will be like, imposible. Napaka-maganda niya. Napaka-gwapo niya. Yeah, napaka-sexy ng taong ito. It might be unbelievable, but you deserve this. Kasi ito yung hinihiling mo kay universe eh. Binibigay na nga sa iyo ng universe. Ikaw naman itong nagrereklamo. Or hindi ka panipaniwala na siya na pala. Okay? But then again guys, pag mahal ka talaga ng tao, yan. Go with that person. Pagka maalaga ang taong ito, go with that person. Follow what's in your intuition, what's in your heart. Destiny. If you are destined to be with this person, siya talaga. This is the person that you are destined to be with. Nakalagda na yan sa kanilang libro. Mahaba ang buhok, red lips, siguro makapal ang labi, malaki yung hita, may pagkamatigasan ng ulo, may pagka alam modelo, could be a spiritually psychic or healer, yung iba dito. Siguro mahilig siya mag-gardening, mahilig sa prutas, bulaklak, may pagka-boss, siguro you might be dealing with a person na boss or a teacher. Okay, maybe I'm also getting like I don't know, mahilig magsuot ng belt. Lagi naka long sleeve, payatin. May chubby din tayo dito ha. May chubby. Mahilig sa pink, roses. Okay. Maka-Diyos. Again, I'm also getting like infinity. This is your forever. Siya na yung forever mo, kapatid. Like again guys, kung sabihin natin third party, meron pa siyang this person still in a relationship with someone else, just wait. Just, you don't have to like sabihin natin na, oh, ayaw ko makipagrelasyon ngayon sa ganito ganyan. No. You have freedom to be in a relationship with someone else. Sabihin natin na, ma'am, yung soulmate ko po ay ikinasal sa iba. If it's meant for you, meant for you. Malay mo in the future, 10 years, 20 years from now, magkita kayo muli. No? Balo na siya, single ka, o hiniwalayan ba siya, single ka, then you two are meant to find each other. Gagawa at gagawa sa universe na magkita kayo muli ng tao ito. Okay? Like again guys, pagka destiny talaga. Sa universe na ang bahala para dyan. Just do what you can do or continue on what you're doing. Yung ibang third party dyan, let your person go. Pag meant to be, meant to be. Babalik at babalik siya kung talaga mahal na mahal ka ng taong iyan or kung talaga lang na destiny kayo, magbabalik at magbabalik talaga kayo. Alright? Yeah. So, I do hope na resonate sa inyo ang reading na ito. Nakuha na natin yung iba naman sa inyo, age gap, may katandaan na, nasa ibang bansa, mahilig na, yung sapatos na may pagka, ang tawag nito guys? Comment nga kayo. Yung mahilig magsapatos ng ganito. Okay. Yeah. I'm getting like this person is like a mahiyain, older, matured. You could be, again, Virgo. Malakas dito ang Virgo. The Hermit. Isolation. Siguro hindi siya masyadong party. Laging nagpa-party. Meron naman dito na, I don't know, parang laging nakaupo lang, walang gagawin. Siguro dahil may pera siya, kaya wala siyang dapat gagawin. May negosyo, negosyante siguro itong taong ito. May pagka, again, may tiwala sa Panginoon, nagta-travel. You might be meeting this person during your travel. Alright, Spirit Angels. Again, age gap. Baka mamimit mo siya sa ibang bansa. Alright, Spirit Angels, how our collective meeting this person? In what way mamit ni collective ang taong ito? Itong destiny niya. Yung iba sa inyo dito, okay, sa party, I don't know, fishing. Siguro mahilig mag-fishing ang taong ito. Sa beach, long distance. Maybe this person still married. Okay. Yeah, again, beauty pageant. Siguro sa mga event, you will be meeting this person from any event. Meron naman itong simbahan. You will be meeting this person in sa church. Iba naman, okay, Nine of Swords. Maybe it could be a friend. Someone might be dealing with, I don't know, biglang magkukontak sa inyo, or you could be the person na a crying shoulder. Ikaw siguro itong, I don't know, ati-atihan, kuya-kuyahan, because this person always asking you help emotionally, support. Yeah, maybe this person is going to contact you to ask you support. That could be the sign na siya ay para sa inyo, or destiny para sa inyo. Okay, Temperance. Yeah, like again, meron dito sa hiking. Maybe this person loves to hike, mountain. Again, travel, business. Yeah, meron dito sa inyo sa beach. It could be sa cruise or sa, yeah, I don't know, an event. Travel. It could be business, siguro amo. Maybe manager. Maybe this person is like a high rank. Financially supportive. Yeah. Maybe nasa Italy. This is very specific. Baka nakatira ito sa Italy, somewhere in Italy. Maybe mahilig siya magtanim. Okay. So that's how you meet this person, guys, so far. I do hope na resonated sa inyo, ano? Ano pa? Okay. So advice na tayo from the universe. Kasi I think you have advice. Alright, what about this? We're getting just final advice for my collective about their destiny, this person's destiny, their person's destiny, their soulmate destiny. Message, Spirit Angels. Message, final message for my collective, please. Okay. We have 2 here. Free yourself. See, again, free yourself. Siguro married ka, not happy, or stuck, no? You need to free yourself. Para makilala mo itong destiny mo, you need to free yourself. I don't know, kung hindi kayo masaya, maybe you have been to like abusive partner. Kung abusive ang inyong partner, then I think you need to free yourself. Okay, kausapin mo siya, hindi ka masaya dahil sinasaktan ka niya physically, emotionally, mentally. How you gonna meet your person if you are still married or still with a toxic relationship? Okay, it's time to take back control your life. See? The Magician. You need to take back control your life. Ikaw lang dapat ang kumukontrol sa iyong sarili, sa buhay mo, at wala nang iba. Do not let the others to control you. Especially kung yung mga partner, no? Mga karelasyon, kinukontrol ka. Okay, red flag na rin po iyan, mga kapatid. It's not because, warning ko lang mga kapatid, paalala ko lang. Huwag niyo pong seryosohin itong reading na ito. Ito ay gabay po lamang. If you are in a situation na toxic relationship, hindi ka masaya, or maybe this could be yourself, no? Na right now, malungkot ka. It's like pinapunish mo ang sarili mo, or mentally or emotionally stuck. You need to free yourself. You need to let go, let God. Stop thinking too much. overdoing too much. Especially kung stuck ka sa karelasyon mong toxic, you need to free yourself. Open up. Maybe it's time to open up yourself to your partner, no? Okay. Whatever situation, kasi iba-iba yung situation ninyo eh. Emotionally stuck, relationship stuck, toxic relationship stuck, no? Or sa trabaho, sa iyong sarili. Yeah. You need to free yourself whatever stuck, no? Kung ano itong na-stuck ka. Okay. Yung iba dito, passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. See? Passion. You need passion. You need, kailangan mo ng kapartner. Do not let yourself to maging matandang dalaga, matandang binata. Okay. Allow your heart, soul, allow your heart and soul to sing and with joy. Okay. The bottom, romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So, explore. Huwag tayong atat, mga kapatid, lalo na sa mga single dyan. It's time to explore. Meeting new people. Maybe siya na talaga. Kasi kung mag-stuck ka lang sa toxic, no, mga toxic or walang gagawin, okay. Siguro kailangan mo lang flirting din, ano? Yeah. Kasi pagka sabihin natin may nagpaparamdam sa inyo, paano mo malaman na siya talagang para sa inyo? If you're not giving a chance, you need to free yourself. Yeah, free yourself, know about this person, finding out more about this person. Or maybe kailangan mag-travel, kasi pagka nag-travel ka, you might be meeting this person during your travel. Sa pagka-abroad, or relocation sa trabaho, could be somehow makilala mo yung boss mo, ang gwapo, ang ganda pala, then later on, siya palang destiny para sa inyo. Alright? So hanggang dito na mga kapatid, I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next reading. Bye and thank you.